So hi guys, we're back with another video, and today my dad bought me slime ingredients. These ones, guys, these purple glues, do not buy them. They do not work. But for activator, if you guys use different activators, that's fine. If it works with your slime, yeah, but like this one works really good on your slime. So yeah, and this is not closed right because it just spilled all over the desk in there. So yeah. Sorry, I'm cleaning my bottle of activator. Okay, so that's closed on right now again. But yeah. So first slime I have is this I'm trying to order my slimes. This is my friend's slime, but she let me keep it. I made it. I used a big gallon of glue of hers, and it's a cloud slime. It's basic slime. It's just that we put a different cloud slime into it when it was done. So it turned into this slime. So yeah, it's really good. So let's do some ASMR. Whoa. And when I got this slime, I named it Lemonade because it's yellow. So I named it Lemonade. So, yeah. Let's put this back in there. Oh boy. I'm trying not to get this yellow slime on my hands because I got more slimes. I only got 4 slimes. So yeah. Sorry for the just like 4 collection slime. I'm sorry, but next slime I have is this Elmer's glue, the glitter glue, the blue one. So pretty. And it's I kind of like it. It's good. And I made these slimes today. Oh my god, look at that. It's so clear. So this slime is a total of a 10 out of 10 because it's a really, really great slime. So yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10. Whoa, guys, it's so clear. So yeah. But yeah, that's that slime. And I called this blueberry slime because it looks like blueberries. Well, I actually called this Ocean. Actually, Ocean. Yeah, I named this slime Ocean. So yeah. So let's move on to the next one. The second 2 ones, the last 2, are glow-in-the-dark slimes. So yeah. And these containers don't close that good. So this pink one. So yeah. These ones were... So the first one I made of the glow-in-the-dark was the blue one, and then I made the pink one, and then I made the blue one. The other blue one, the glitter. Whoa, guys, it's so pretty. The glitters are so like They're so pretty. Look, I'll show you. Look at that. So good. It's a really nice slime, guys. Look how far this could stretch. Like, bro. And look, let's look at the swirl. So good. Let's make a bubble. I bought these glues at Walmart, except for the slime that my friend gave me. She made that slime for me. So if you guys don't have her channel, I will tell you her name. Her name's Destiny. She's a really great friend. We got into an argument today, but it's fine. So yeah. Next slime. Next slime is the blue one. This is the actually first one that I made, and then I did the pink one and then the other blue one. So yeah. And the glow in the dark slimes are so freaking good. Look, this slime has blue glitter in it. You cannot. It's so clear. Wow, I love these slimes a lot. Okay. ASMR, guys, ASMR. But yeah, that's all of the slimes that I'm going to show today. So let's put that back. And so thank you guys for watching my videos, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.